Hey class, Penn Shelton here. Hope everybody had a good winter break and hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Uh, Gonna hit the bullet points real quick for my check-in. My field placement is at a PHP, IOP, basically outpatient, but more intensive substance use and mental health co-occurring disorders treatment center. We work with people who stay in our housing, kind of halfway house housing, and also people who come from their own homes or live in outside sober livings and come in to receive clinical services by us. One thing that I really enjoy about my field experience is the opportunity to work with people, couples, and families clinically and utilize therapy skills and do therapy. It's been amazing to put into practice everything I've been learning in the graduate program. I actually had a great moment with a client after a group where I um, lovingly confronted a guy about wanting to leave treatment early. And it was a little bit intense, but me and the client had great rapport, so we were able to um, get into the nitty gritty, so to speak, without it being harmful to him or the group. And one of the other clients who watched it came up and asked me afterwards, how did I manage that high pressure situation without getting lost in it or taking things personally? And as I broke down to him the different elements of how I managed my own reactions and kept myself very appropriate and kept myself on task for the clinical goal of the interaction, I realized how many different skills I have integrated because I didn't put it into conscious thought before going into the conversation, but breaking it down afterwards, I really realized just how many different skills and theories I was drawing from and utilizing, which was an awesome experience. One challenge that I've had is over winter break, we had a COVID outbreak, just two clients, but we locked down all of the housing. We stopped having in person services for about 2.5 weeks. It was a really stressful time, and it was just I even though it was challenging, I saw that I was able to operate really well in high pressure situations, do task management, meet clients where they were at, and help to comfort them and get them through a high pressure, high intensity situation in their treatment experience. Um, that's basically it. I don't want to go too long. I'm looking forward to the last 14 weeks. I'm really excited to be getting to the finish line with you guys. I'm proud of everybody else that's been sticking it out through a really crazy time. Proud of myself and just looking forward to working with everybody over the next 14 weeks. Thanks.